Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our SOLIDWORKS training tutorials. In this lesson, we're looking at exercise 3, slot mates. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you open up the bracket and leg assembly, and if I just zoom into it there, this is what you're faced with. So if you rotate it, grab that and rotate it around, just drag it around, you'll see it'll come through the plate. So we don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a little mate on this. I'm going to do mechanical mate with a little slot. I'm going to leave it free constraint. I'm going to select that surface and I'm going to select the surface of the slot and click OK on that. And just test that now, and you can see it's fixed in that slot. Okay. Accept that. And then if you just save that. So if I open up the table assembly, and you can do a circular component pattern in here. And the pattern axis is going to be table center there on that. And probably equal spacing. And make that 4. And the components, the pattern is going to be that. So it's the bracket and leg assembly. And click OK. So then if we open up the sub-assembly, and drag it to there, and if we spin that around, don't really need to use interference detection, but let's do it anyway. So if we calculate that, you can see we've got an interference there. So if I close out of that, and if we go back into open our sub-assembly, and we're just going to modify the bracket, so the slot in the bracket so part loop for me, and then get into our slot. So this cut extrude here. And I'm going to adjust the size of this. So edit that sketch. And delete that. And drag that up. Let's see if that removes our interference. So that should just run horizontal then. And close that. And save it. And then go back to my assembly. And update it. And you can see we've got that. And it no longer interferes with that. So that's that complete. Again, if you could give this video a little like, that would be great. And if you could subscribe to my channel if you've not already subscribed, it'd be really appreciated. And see you the next time.